In this video, I'll guide you through how to share your Amazon cart with someone. Whether you're planning a shopping spree with friends or coordinating a gift list for a special occasion, sharing your Amazon cart can be incredibly handy. Let's dive into the process to make sharing your cart seamless and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by organizing the items you're interested in sharing. Head to your Amazon cart and review the items you've added. For each product you want to share, you'll need to move them by clicking either Save for Later or Add to List. This step is important because it helps you curate your selection into a shareable format. Saving items for later or adding them to a list ensures that everything is neatly organized and ready to be shared. Once you've saved your items, the next step is to access the list you've created. To do this, navigate to the top of the Amazon homepage where you see Account and Lists. Hover over it, and from the drop down menu, click on Your Lists. This will take you to a page where all your saved lists are located. Find and select the list you just created for sharing. This takes you to a more detailed view of your list, where you'll be able to make any last minute adjustments if needed. With your list ready, it's time to invite others to view it. Look towards the top right corner of your list page, and you'll notice a button labeled Send List to Others. Click this button to open up sharing options. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to collaborate with others who might want to add or purchase items from the list. Now, when you click the Send List to Others button, you'll need to decide what kind of access you'd like to give to the people you're sharing with. Amazon offers two permission settings: View Only and View and Edit. If the person you're sharing with is simply going to buy the items, select View Only. However, if you're working together, perhaps on a group gift or a joint shopping list, you might want to choose View and Edit. This way, they can make changes or add additional items as needed. After you've selected the appropriate permissions, you'll be provided with a link. Copy this link, which serves as the key to your curated list, and send it to your recipient. You can do this via text, email, or any communication method you prefer. Sharing the link gives the recipient easy access to view or interact with your list. Finally, a handy tip for the recipient. Once they receive your list, they can click Add All to Cart on their end. This feature is incredibly convenient as it allows them to quickly move the entire list into their personal shopping cart, ready for checkout. This way, they can manage quantities, review prices, and ensure everything is set before making the purchase. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to share your Amazon cart with someone else. By following these steps, you can easily collaborate on purchases with family, friends, or colleagues. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.